Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to fix ORA-02286 error in Oracle Database 12c. So I have logged into the SQL Plus editor as a common user called c#. Make sure that you have enough permission to execute the SQL queries. So now what I am going to do, I am going to alter one sequence. Okay. Alter sequence name ORA-02286. No option specified for alter sequence. So you can't blindly type alter sequence name. You need to provide some options. Okay, so you need to provide some options to alter the sequence. Okay, so this is the correct SQL query to alter the sequence. So now you can see that ORA-02286, no option specified for our alter sequence is fixed.